Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming the essentials: your iPhone's IMEI, proof of purchase, and valid ID. Once done, connect to a trusted Wi-Fi network so you can access registration portals or carrier support. Make sure the device settings show the correct region and system version. This avoids simple mismatches that block activation. Then open the official registration page or carrier app to begin the formal process. This is the legal path that restores cellular internet without risking penalties. You proceed by entering the IMEI and uploading purchase documentation to the regulator or carrier portal. Accuracy matters because mismatched data delays approval. Once submitted, verify email or SMS codes promptly and complete any required forms with consistent ID details. If a fee applies, use approved payment options so the transaction is recorded. Doing this correctly ensures your device is marked compliant and restores cellular data services legally. Avoid unverified third-party methods that could void warranties or violate rules. You finish by restarting the iPhone and allowing carrier settings to update. This often triggers final activation. If activation stalls, contact carrier or regulator support with your transaction ID and documentation. They can pinpoint errors in submission or payment. Make sure to keep copies of receipts and confirmation messages for follow-up. One key troubleshooting tip: if the portal shows an error, do not try unofficial fixes. Contact support and request guidance so you resolve the issue within legal and warranty protection.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.